Good morning, children. We are still with trigonometry. We have done with the formulas. Which are the formulas? Trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. What is the ratio? Sine, cos, tan. Everything we have seen. I told you that you have to remember. Then the inverse. That sine is 1 upon cosec. Cos is 1 upon sec. Tan is 1 upon cot. Vice versa. Then trigonometric complementary angles ratio, that is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and vice versa. Then we also had seen some sin upon cos is equal to tan, cos upon sin is equal to cot, cot theta into cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1, tan into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1, tan into cot is equal to 1. Then we have seen the last one, sine square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. These are the formulas which we have to learn by heart. Then we have seen how to write the table, because there are some sine angle ratios which are constant, which do not change. For example of 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These ratios are constant. So we have to learn them by heart, and I have shown you how to write the table also. I suppose this much is clear to everyone. And while writing the table also, I told you the first line you should learn by heart. That is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now today we are going to solve some set of questions. First I have written a question on the board. 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree. Also I have written one more question over here. Cos 56 degree upon sin 34 degree. First I want you to see the difference between these two questions. If you look at this question, you can see that 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, they come directly into the table. The values are directly from the table. So you have to just substitute those values from the table and solve it. While coming to cos 56 and sin 34, these values are not coming in the table. So which formulas do we use over here? If you see, there is one more relation over here. If you add these angle measures, that is 56 and 34, you will see that you will get 90 degree. So you should come to your mind that what are we supposed to use over here? Complementary angle ratios. So convert one of them into the other form. That cos you can convert into sine, or sine you can convert into cos, and they get cancelled. Okay, so this is the two things you should keep in mind with respect to solving these type of questions. First you look at the angle measures. If these angle measures come into the table, substitute the values and solve it. If they do not come into the table, then add the angles and see whether they are giving you 90 degrees. That means somewhere or the other they get cancelled, and you can solve it. Now coming to the first one, let us see how to solve it. Substitute the values from the table. So this is equal to 2 into tan 45. Where is your tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So 2 into tan 45, that is 1, plus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, minus sin 60. Sin 60 again, root 3 upon 2. Now you can see that this is plus root 3 upon 2 and minus root 3 upon 2. They are like terms, so they get cancelled. Okay. So what answer will be 0. So you will have 2 into 1 plus, those who get it difficult to understand, then you take it as a common denominator. You have root 3 minus root 3, both get cancelled, so you will have 0 over there. So 2 into 1 plus 0, that is equal to 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the answer. Okay. This is direct substitution of the values from the table. So you should know the table. Just draw it and keep at the beginning only. And when the questions are there, you just substitute from there to the value, and you will end up getting the answer. Now how do we solve second one? Cos 56. As I said, you can either convert this into this or this into that. You know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta or sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Suppose I want to convert cos 56 in terms of sin. So cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Now what is that sin 90 minus theta? Theta is 56. So sin 90 minus 56 is 34. So I get sin 34 degree. So cos 56 is equal to sin 34. Now substitute this in place of cos 56. Therefore, instead of cos 56 I write as sin 34 degree upon sin 34 degree. Both get cancelled, equal to 1. So this is the answer. So the first thing you should check with the angle. If the angle come in the table, substitute the values. If they do not come, then they are using the complementary ratios. Okay. Okay, we will be solving practice set 8.2, question number 2. Find the values of. Practice set 8.2, question number 2. Find the values of the first one. 5 sin 30 plus 3 tan 45. We can see again 30 and 45 they come in the table, so it is a direct substitution. So this is equal to 5 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus 3 into tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So this is equal to 5 upon 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. That is equal to. Now 1 is in the fraction form. So what you have to do over here? You have to find the LCM. So you will have 5 plus 2 3s are 6 upon 2. That is equal to 11 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now look at the second one. Is equal to 4 upon 5 tan square 60. How do we find tan square 60? Find tan 60 and square it. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So into root 3 square. Take care of the square because it is tan square. Plus 3 sin square 60. Now what is sin 60? Sin 60 is again root 3 upon 2. Again square. So it is a whole square. Please take note of it. Whenever you have square, first write the value and then square it. Okay. This is equal to 4 upon 5. Root 3 square is 3 plus 3 into root 3 square is 3 upon 2 square is 4. That is equal to, this is multiplication, so you will have 12 upon 5 plus 9 upon 4. Now you find the LCM. What will be the LCM over here? 20. You will have 48 plus 5 9s are 45. So that is equal to 93 upon 20. The answer will be 93 upon 20. Okay. The third question, 2 sin 60 plus cos 0 plus 3 sin 90. Again it is a direct application. 2 sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 upon 2 plus cos 0 1 plus 3 sin 90 1. 2 upon 2 plus 3 into 1 3. Whenever you are solving it, please use the BODMAS. Multiplications are first, then only addition. Okay. So when you add, you will get 5. It's very simple. Look at the next one. Tan 60 upon sin 60 plus cos 60. Tan 60. What is tan 60? Root 3 upon. Instead of writing this upon, I am putting it division sign to make the work easier. Sin 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 upon 2. I put this in the bracket. Okay. This is equal to root 3. Now I can see the denominators are same. Okay. And what do I have? Root 3 plus 1. Please take care, root sign is only for 3, not for 1. Okay. Now, this is equal to root 3. Now, when it is division, you have learned that we can multiply and write the inverse of it. So, root 3 into 2 upon root 3 plus 1. Again, this is only for this part. So, this is equal to, just multiply the numerator with this. So, 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 remains here. Okay. Please remember, we are, whenever the values or these angle measures are from the table, directly substitute it. That's all. And it is square, find the value first and then square it. Okay. Question number 5. Cos square 45 degree plus sin square 30 degree. Cos square 45 degree plus sin square 30 degree. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Since it is square, so we find the square of it. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Again, since it is square, we find the square of it. Okay. 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. Plus 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Find the LCM 4. So multiply here with 2. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 upon 4. The next question number 6. Cos 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 into sin 30. Cos 60 1 upon 2 into cos 30 root 3 upon 2 plus sin 60 root 3 upon 2 into sin 30 1 upon 2. Multiplication should be done first. 1 into root 3 upon 2 2s are 4. When we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Plus, multiply the numerators, root 3, 2 2s are 4. 4 is a common denominator. Add the numerators, root 3 plus root 3 we get 2 root 3 upon 4. 2 is common, so we will get root 3 upon 2. Okay, I am giving you some questions for your homework based on this. I want you to try it out. Okay. Very simple. Just keep your mind whether it is square, because sometimes we are tend to miss out the square sign of it. Okay. And then multiplication should be done first, then the addition. Board marks. Please remember that. Okay. Okay, these 3 questions are for your homework. First one, 2 bracket cos square 45 plus tan square 60 bracket close minus 6 bracket sin square 45 plus tan square 30 equal to 6. You have to prove this. Okay. The first 2 questions answers are given. You have to prove. Means you don't solve this. You first find out the left hand side. So you take only the left hand side. You solve and you get the final answer. That is only to show that the final answer should be 6. Similarly, second one, tan 60 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 60 minus tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. All these are to prove. And the last one is equal to 2. I have given you the answers so that when you solve it at the end you should get these answers. And the questions are to prove. So you solve it, finally you should get these answers, the right hand side. So you solve it like LHS is equal to, solve it. When you get it, you put it as equal to RHS. Okay. These are the 3 questions. Take your time, think, do it slowly. All are using the table. Fine. Now, we will go quickly to problem set 8. Question number 1. Problem set 8. Question number 1. Multiple choice. Which of the following statement is true? Sin theta is equal to, it is directly from the formula, you can use it. Second one, which of the following is the value of sin 90 degree? Take it from the table. Third one, 2 tan 45 plus cos 45 minus sin 45. You solve this along with this question, solve it in your notebook. Check the answer, check it out whether it is there in the given option. Question number 4. Cos 28 degree upon sin 62. Now look at the angle measures. Are they coming into the table? No. Add the angles and see, you will get it as 90 degrees. So one of them you have to convert it. Okay, how do you convert it? You have cos 28. So you can write cos 28 degree is equal to, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Now that is equal to sin 90 minus 28, it will be the same what is given over there, 62 degree. So instead of cos 28, you can use it as sin 62. So sin 62 upon sin 62, we get the answer. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. Sin 20 equal to, you have to write it in terms of cos. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin 20 is equal to cos 90 minus 20. And how much is 90 minus 20? 70. So the answer will be cos 70. Second, tan 30 into tan dash is equal to 1. Now you have learned some formulas. Tan into tan. Which tan? You have the tan into cot. The tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot is again you have, then you have tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. Now what is given to you over here? Tan theta, which is theta 30 degree, into tan. It should be 90 minus 30. Now how much is 90 minus 30? 60. Then only it will come as tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. Next one, cos 40 degree is equal to sine. You are converting cos in terms of sine. So which formula will you be using over here? Complementary angle ratios. So cos 40 degree is equal to sine 90 minus 40. That is sine 50 degree. Okay. That's all.